Here we are in Port MacDonnell, the rock lobster capital of South Australia. A small seaside town and absolutely beautiful. So in this video we are going to show you the streets of Port MacDonnell, some shops, the landscapes around here, the museums, and it is absolutely beautiful. There's a customs house on my right. The screen you can see, and you can see this is a German mine was to show at Port MacDonnell. And there is the library, gallery, museum in Port MacDonnell. And there is a museum in there, and you will get all the information about the shipwrecks in the area. Very interesting. We need a good couple of hours to go and visit that place because there's a lot to see and a lot of history there to take in. This is the Port MacDonnell jetty. There's a stingray in the water there, swimming around under the seaweed near. Oh, I get too excited when I see stingrays. Oh, there he is. Look. We just found this another beautiful artwork just on the side of the road, on someone's side of someone's shed. Dingley Dell now, just out of Port MacDonnell. And have a look at this little cottage there. And this is the cottage where once Adam Lindsay Gordon resided once, a very famous poet from Australia. And it is close to the public at the moment. You can't go inside the cottage, but hopefully maybe next time when we come around it should be open. There's lots of gardens around here and a lot of bushland. It's very peaceful and beautiful. That's why he stayed here. Yeah, Adam Lindsay Gordon. Yeah, the famous poet.